Good morning, Toronto. It is Sunday morning, February 23rd, and I'm on the Tadoussac, and today is departure day. I got the news the other day that the regular cook would be coming back, so I have been busy getting things ready for when she comes. I always like to try and leave everything as nice as possible. I'm going to miss this view. This is a spectacular view. So it's going on 7. The bacon's in the oven. I've got some eggs steaming. We're getting low on eggs. She'll be making a grocery order when she comes. We're getting low on a few things. She's going to do the fit out order. So I thought you might like one more little look at my beautiful morning view. Lorraine is going to come around 11. I'm going to pack up my bags and then I'll be on my way. So I'm going to try a great Sunday. Oh, and cinnamon bun day was actually yesterday. I couldn't leave without one more cinnamon bun day. Well, just finished last supper on the Tadoussac, and just going to do a walkthrough so you can see the Galley, and we are on our way. So it was a great job. I'd love to come back, and I'll keep you posted. Of course, I love a galley with a back door, and I love a galley that has a big mixer. The rice cooker came in handy. I like the little KitchenAid. I especially like that it was red. And here is the dry store. The back door. I love the big counter that always comes. If you give me a big counter, I will manage to fill it up. So that was nice to be able to have lots of space. So then this is the sink I used, and the dishwasher, and Lorraine came to see me almost every day, and she helped with the dishes, and this is where she did the dishes. And then we have the fridge. They worked on that while I was here, so we got a new floor and new racks, so it looks really great. And then next to that is the freezer. Oh, check this out. You are here. So here's the freezer. They have a cool little switch here, so when the groceries come, it's on a timer. You can turn the freezer off for 30 minutes, which is awesome, so that you don't have to call down to the engine room and ask them to turn it off. So here's the stove. I cleaned that to the best of my ability yesterday. This is where we put the desserts. Look, I made Mom's cherry pie filling cake. We had shrimp tonight, and Lorraine made some little veggies. We're kind of low on groceries, so it was just carrots and radishes. And there's the stove that I cleaned last night, and the fryer, and then the flat top. So 2 portholes. So this is where I spent the last 24 days. It was awesome. I really enjoyed it. I hope to come back.